ever record a whole video only to realize that your phone stopped recording after you're done? Yeah, that just happened. Anyway, so I think I got cut off right after the small box. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start over with this box because yeah, I already removed the bow because I did use it already. It comes in this box, and if guessing from the size, I think you guys might know what it is if you don't already, since I have used it and I have posted it on Instagram as well. Sorry for my little mini mess back here, but anyway, let's just open it then, huh? So here she is, all okay, and it comes with, of course, the rain cover and the care booklet as well. So let me put the box away. Okay, so here's the little baby to reveal. Ta-da! This is the very cute newest addition to my family, my handbag family, and it is the Birkin 25 in the color Rouge H, which is the French for H, red H in English, or H red translated. I'm sorry if I'm butchering the color name, but it is in Togo leather with shiny gold hardware, and the color is just what I asked for, honestly. If you're not too familiar with how quota bags work, it is 2 handbags a year, one for first semester, which is January to June, and one for July through December. And a quota bag is a Birkin or Kelly, or sometimes exotics. Anyway, this one came just on time. I was a little bit pickier. I was a little bit picky this year in choosing a bag because I had more like a set list, description list that I wanted fulfilled, I guess. And of course I asked for a number 1 Birkin 25 with gold hardware in a darker color spectrum, I guess. And yeah, this one arrived right around on my birthday. I got the call from my lovely Hermès Spring when we were on my birthday week vacation, and I expected for just, you know, birthday greeting, maybe secretly hoping for a bag. And then of course he tells me that we are getting something in, and I'm not gonna lie to you though, there are a couple people who want it. And I said, okay, let's try our luck. I mean, maybe mention that it's my birthday. And he said, honestly, you know, at this point, it's at the end of the semester where everybody's just trying to get a bag and before the new semester starts. And so I was like, okay, I'll just pray for it. He mentioned that it was arriving on Tuesday. So I thought he meant that he was gonna call me on Tuesday. And Tuesday had gone and passed, and I tried to keep my mind occupied. I was like, he didn't call me, so I guess I didn't get it. But he called me on Wednesday, the day after I expected his call, that I got it. And I was so excited. Of course, I did a little, you know, happy dance because it's absolutely perfect. I love it so much. I already used it while we were still in Vegas, honestly. And yeah, this is the newest addition to my handbag family. It's so cute. I love it. Okay, let me show you guys how it looks. I'm sorry for my not too put together look. I did just stay home today, so, well, except for a couple appointments here and there, I'm just wearing bummy clothes, but let me show you how it looks. For size reference, I am 5'7", and this is how it looks. You know, I like to carry it by hand, mostly because it's so tiny and cute. And of course, it also fits over my arm, like so. Anyway, so like I mentioned, I recorded another video of this, except that I didn't realize my phone stopped recording, and now I've lost my tracks and I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Anyway, so this is like mentioned, like I said, I was fairly picky this time around. I wanted a Birkin 25 gold hardware, darker color. And I was towards the end there, like when he called me in May, I kind of got desperate. Not necessarily desperate, but I kind of hinted that, oh, maybe I should open up my preferences, you know, so I gave him a couple more things on my wish list that I necessarily didn't want right now, but I kind of want in the long run anyway, so I just mentioned those things as well. That way I didn't close myself off too much for possibly not getting a bag last semester. But this arrived and it was absolutely the perfect timing. It was right on my birthday. We already planned that June Vegas trip a couple months back, and it was just perfect. So anyway, this is the inside. If you're not already you know, they have stuffing, and of course this is the clochette with, you know, key and lock. I tend to not use these. I don't know why I'm not. Maybe because I'm more like a twilly person, so I don't really hang my lock and key on the bag. I know it's cute. Maybe I will if I don't use a twilly, but this one usually just stays in home because I don't really use it. But I decided to do an unboxing today because I also ordered my little Rouge Party insert for it, and it arrived a couple of days ago. So I thought it would be the perfect time to do an unboxing. So it is, I got it in the, ooh, I forgot what color this one exactly is, but I'll let you know. So this is for the Birkin 25, of course, and I picked red just so it kind of is matching like so. I don't know if you could see that, but it just helps keep things organized, and I like it. Even though this is such a small bag already, it doesn't really need organization. I just like to keep things inside a little, you know, a little container, a little pouch inside my purse, just to prevent any accidents. I tend to carry like a pen and whatnot, so that will keep the inside of the bag, you know, looking brand new, even though I love them and use them, of course. Before I got the insert, when I used it, I just grabbed one of my dust bags. Not this one, this is a little too big, but I grabbed my Constance dust bag, which is the other handbag I brought when we were in Vegas, and I just kind of fold it like so. Obviously this is a little too big, but, and then I use this as the insert and have my things in there. I know it kind of defeats the purpose of having a bag. I'm just a little OCD when it comes to keeping my things clean and looking brand new, so I like to invest in things that make my bag look new the longest. And this is, they're a little bit pricey, to be honest with you, compared to other bag inserts, but I definitely think they're worth the investment, especially because you are purchasing, you know, pretty expensive bag, so a little more can't hurt, especially if it keeps your bag looking brand new. And I also have orange shields for the hardware. I tend to peel off the stickers, hardware stickers that come on there, because it's not as shiny as, I mean, it's not as clear as, say, the orange shields. And also this fit kind of bigger than orange shields. Orange shields. Anyway, I can't talk anymore. But anyway, I think that's it for this video. It's so weird because the first video I recorded, which, you know, didn't get recorded, I had a couple more things I said, but now I can't remember what I said, so kind of sad. But anyway, I think that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!